Good morning, third class children. Let us see today also workbook children for the chapter numbers. Page number 16 children. Write the predecessor for the following numbers. Here predecessor means before numbers. Predecessor means the number which come before the given number. Those are predecessor. Look here, 1890. What is the predecessor to this number? 1889. 3056. What is the predecessor? 3055. 6001. 6000 is the predecessor. 2567. 2566. 4001. 4000. 2748. 2747. These all we are completed in the previous videos children. Let us revise. 2649. 2648. 4809. Predecessor is 4808. 9899. 9898. 1234. 1233. 2999. 2998 is the predecessor to this number. 7593. 7592 is the predecessor. 6823. 6822. 3009. 3008. 8130. 8129. 7184. 7183. 9990. 9989. 4164. 4163. What is the predecessor children? Predecessor is nothing but before number. Next, write the successor for the following number. Successor means after numbers. Successor means after numbers. 3678 after 3679. 1536 after 1537. 6329. 6330. 9113. 9114. 4899. 4900. 5496. 5497. 5489. 5490. 2084. 2085. 8330. 8331. 7587. 7588. 5110. 5111. 6047. 6048. These are the successors for the given numbers. Next, write the number that comes in between numbers. 1056, 1058 is given. What is the between number? 1057. 3299, 3301. What is the between number? 3300. 8101, 8103. 8102 is the between number. 4863, 4865. 4864 is the between number. 9509, 9511. 9510 is the between number. 9981, 9983. 9982 is the between number. Right? Like this. Write these numbers also, children. Skip count by the given numbers and complete the series. Look here. Skip count by 1000. So 1000 you have to skip here. 4000 after, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. Next one. Skip count by 1000. This is also skip count by 1000. 5623, 6623, 7623, 8623, 9623. Next, skip count by 100. 489, 589, 689, 789, 889. Skip count by 100. This is also skip count by 100. 3724. So here we have to skip hundreds place only. The remaining places are same. 3824, 3924, 4024, 4124. Next one, skip count by 10. You have to skip tens place only. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. Last one, skip count by 10. 6145. So here you have to skip tens place. 6155, 6165, 6175, 6185. Next page, children. Put the largest and smallest numbers in each series in the rectangle and oval boxes respectively. So write the largest number in the rectangle, write the smallest number in the oval. So these are the given numbers, children. First compare the place values, compare the digits. How many digits are there in the given number? So all numbers have 4-digit numbers. Now compare the digits from the extreme left side. So all are having 4 in their thousands place. Next check hundreds place. All are having 6 in hundreds place. Next check tens place. 2, 1, 1, 3, 3. So here 3 is the largest one. So 4631, 4633. So next check ones place. 1 and 3. Among these two, which one is the largest one? 4633 is the largest one. So write that number in the rectangle. And now least number, smallest number. So these two numbers have 1 in their tens place. Now check ones place digit also. 2, 3. Which is the smallest one? 2 or 3? 2 is the smallest one. So 4612 is the smallest number. Like this, you have to check all the numbers like this. Look here, 8767, 7686, 6768, 8778, 7867. Among these 5 numbers, 8778 is the largest one. 6768 is the smallest one. Next, all are 5000 numbers. Now check hundreds place. 44949. So these two are having 9 in their hundreds place. Among these two, which is the biggest one? This one. 5942 is the largest one. And the number which having 4 in hundreds place are 3 numbers. Among these 3, check the tens place digits. 919. So 1 is the least smallest one. So 5419 is the smallest one. Next, 5,402, 5,420, 5,730, 3,750, 3,057. So here 3,057 is the smallest number and 5,730 is the largest number. 7,502, 7,052, 7,250, 7,520, 7,025. Among these two, 7,025 is the smallest number and 7,520 is the largest number. Next in this series, 9,000 is the largest one, 1,000 is the smallest one. Here we have to check only thousands place. Enough. Next. 3,658, 5,683, 6,835, 3,865, 6,538. Among these, 6,835 is the largest number, 3,658 is the smallest number. In the last one, 9,743, this one is the largest number, 7,943 is the smallest number. Write the biggest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using the given digits. Look here, 7, 0, 5, 8 are the digits. So, if you have to write a largest number, write in descending order, children. So, largest to smallest, 8, 7, 5, 0. This is the biggest number. And if you want to write a smallest number, so write ascending order, small to big. So here 0 is the small number, but here we have to write 0 in the second place, not in the first place, children. If you write 0 in the first place, that number is a 3-digit number, not 4-digit number. So in every time, if there is a 0 in the digits, write in the second place, children, for the smallest number only. So 5,078 is the smallest number. Now here 4325 are the digits. 5,432 is the biggest one. 2,345 is the smallest one. 8790, these are the digits. 9,870 is the largest biggest number. 7,089 is the smallest number. 1407, among these 7,410 is the biggest one, 1,047 is the smallest one. Next, 3564 are the digits. 6,543 is the biggest number. 3,456 is the smallest number. 5672, these are the digits. 7,652 is the biggest number. 2,567 is the smallest number. 6389, among these 9,863 is the biggest number. 3,689 is the smallest number. 0561, here 6,510 is the biggest number. 1,056 is the smallest number. Next, in a video game, Vaibhav scored 4,503 points and Vishal scored 4,305 points. Who scored more? So compare these numbers, children. Both are 4-digit numbers. Now check the extreme left digit, 4, 4, both are same. Next compare hundreds place, 5, 3. Which is the biggest one? 5 is the biggest one. So 4,503 is the biggest number. Vaibhav scored more. So who scored more here? Vaibhav scored more. Next, ascending order and descending order for the numbers, children. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. So write like this. And write the even numbers and odd numbers. These are the odd numbers, these are the even numbers. First of all, even numbers means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers, and also the numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in their ones place are odd numbers. The numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in their ones place are odd numbers, and the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place are even numbers. Okay children, the revision for second chapter also completed children. Thank you.